Okay, see you in a minute. Gracias, amigo. It smells like a grandmother's bedroom in here or something. Whoa. We slept in a little bit this morning, but I still had to get a quick little workout in. Travel tip number 2,583, always use a free gym if your accommodation has it. Oh, and welcome to Quito.
Damn, feeling lucky. How about most streets? Us two in these trees. Diamonds on my feet. Caught up in these talks.
Gracias, amigo. So we've decided to explore Quito's old town, old city today. In fact, this is actually supposed to be the most well-preserved old city in Latin America. Pretty surprising considering how high up it is. We're sitting at like 2,800 meters. Felicia had some trouble with altitude sickness the first few days. Also, since we were in such a rush this morning, I didn't get to have breakfast. Hopefully we find some good Ecuadorian street snacks along the way.
Circling my head top. Should have been more cautious. Now I got what I wanted. Many have been here before. Made it out of 11 more.
I should probably also mention that, of course, we're doing the walking tour. What's new? If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that it's literally the first thing we do in any city we arrive in. How else are you going to get to know where you're going and what cool things to eat and do and see, you know? What have you got?
I got ponche. Oh, it smells beery, like fermented stuff.
So this is like a traditional Ecuadorian dessert, ponche.
Okay, this is good.
It's made with beer foam. Oh my gosh.
Sugar.
Beer foam, sugar,
That's good.
and white egg white. Oh wow. That is really, really good. Ooh. Unbelievable. We just tried a bunch of Ecuadorian treats and sweets, and right up my alley, they've got some candies that are, it's like a hard candy, and then when you lay it in your mouth and then it melts, it's full with booze. So I had to buy a whole packet of it. Dog shit flavored ice cream. You want a couple scoops, babe? Dog shit ice cream.
It's basically banana with cheese.
Tastes just like it smells. Really good. Blood of Christ. It's literally made by, what'd you say, the nuns in the church? Oh yes, by these ladies.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Is it good?
That slaps.
Okay, yeah, para mí.
That's really good.
You are blessed now.
Gracias.
It's really good.
Oh wow.
Like,
Holy moly. You want to get some of that? That's really good.
see?
She's even given us some of the body of Christ. Wow, amazing. Gracias. You gonna have the body of Christ here?
I think you're the one who needs it.
Gracias. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful tour.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. All right, the tour is done, and the only problem with tours like this is there's so much going on. It's really hard to vlog. That was probably one of the most extensive free walking tours we've ever done. She was incredible. We ate lots of really cool food. We bought some goodies. We just did that chocolate tasting. We did the ice cream tasting. Really, really cool full tour. And first impressions of Quito is this city is really, really cool. Obviously, like I said before, one of the arguably the most well-preserved historical city in Latin America. So much going on. We're a little bit overwhelmed. We're going to need a few days to really explore this, even just this area of the city, to see what's going on. There's just so much happening.
At this rate, we're not going to Galapagos.
Yeah, I guess so. But we also haven't eaten today, and it is now 2:30. So that tour was pretty much 4 hours long. It was a long tour. But now we're gonna have some lunch, and it's still a beautiful day, so we're gonna explore around. We're gonna leave the market for tomorrow, but we're gonna explore around the city a little bit more and see what else we can find here. How did you think the tour went?
It's probably one of the best free tours that we've done. Like, she was really genuine. Like, she feels like a friend. And there's a lot of stuff in Quito that we didn't know that exist.
Very, very cool. All right, time for lunch.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Okay, so lunch was fantastic. Really, really good local food. Can't even remember what it was called. Sopa de pollo. Pollo agridolce. So it was like sweet chicken. Delicious. We're kind of getting late on in the day here, so there's a bunch of things we're going to skip today, like go to the big market. We're going to save that for tomorrow. There's this super cool Mother Mary statue up on the hill. Maybe we'll do that. And of course, that classic divide in the earth that Ecuador is, I guess, known for. But since we do have a little bit of time left this afternoon, apparently a common thing to do here is drink beer in churches. Didn't know drinking booze in a church was a thing, but apparently it is, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go drink some beer in a church. Do you think Jesus has blessed this beer?
Of course.
Hola, para dos.
Okay.
Tickets to get museum beer.
In a church.
Okay, definitely doesn't seem to be laid out like a brewery, but it's a nice, beautiful little courtyard, and they have a brewery. Wait, what was the tour guide saying? She was saying, who brought it? The Spanish? No.
It's the Spanish.
The
Spanish
okay.
paid the people who built this in beers.
Basically, they didn't have any wheat in Ecuador or most of this part of the world back in the day, so the Spanish brought wheat, and then everybody just started getting fucked up on beers. And that's the history of Ecuador. You're welcome.
We're not even going to the museum.
Do you want to go to the museum? I don't care.
I feel like I'm obliged now because this ticket is for the museum.
No, it's not. This ticket is for beer. Look at these guys, man. Look at them. Just a bunch of old dudes making beer. What does it say? It's all in Spanish. Trasvase.
It's about fermentation.
Big beer jugs. Damn, man. That's pretty cool. I wonder when these photos were taken. They got their robes on. Bread, cheese, beer. All the ingredients for a good night. Look at this, some soup. Okay, so it turns out that you can't actually drink beer in the cool old brewery, which is exactly where I wanted to drink the beer. But I don't know, this place is kind of cool too.
But essentially it's for the Holy Week.
Yeah, don't be alarmed by our friend that we're having a beer here with. This is basically it's a Spanish tradition, I think. Anyways, it's basically sinners. It can only be men, not women, and they essentially walk around the city during Holy Week, which is next week here in Ecuador, and they just whip themselves in the street and wear these cool, very KKK-looking robes, but they're purple, so they're more chill.
But it's like
Anyways,
4.9.
So Paramo Weissbier. Now, do you think this is the OG? I really doubt it.
The labels definitely look too modern.
No, not
to
the
be an OG.
label, but the beer, you know?
Oh, sure.
So it is made here in Quito, but whether, I don't think it's made in this church anymore. Technically, we are still in a church. This church is apparently like 3 acres or something. It's a monster maze. So now I can say I drank beer in a church. Bucket list item. What a day, man. Quito is awesome. Quito is awesome. Quito is awesome. We spent the first few days tucked away in this apartment working away. Today was the first time we actually got out and really explored. Super pleasantly surprised at how nice this city really is. Oh, also, as I was saying to you, I was going to show you some of the stuff we got. I won't bore you to death with a full thing, but these are these little candies here. Mistelas. And they're basically candies, but filled with liquor. So you don't squeeze them, you don't bite them. They're kind of like hard candies. Come on, focus in on that. There you go. Hard candies. I don't know what this one's filled with. Canelazo, which I don't think. It's just like an Ecuadorian spirit. Whoa. Really good. It basically just explodes with booze in your mouth. It's like a shot in candy form. Anyways, and then that chocolate tasting was incredible. Apparently Ecuador's got the best chocolate in the world. Who would have thought? I mean, it makes sense, but I don't know. I didn't hear about that. You always think the Swiss, blah, blah, blah. But the guy was explaining 80% of the cacao in Ecuador actually goes to Switzerland. 10% goes to the rest of Europe. 5% somewhere else, I can't remember. And they actually only keep 5% of their chocolate here in this country. Kind of crazy. Anyways, it was delicious. The free walking tour was probably one of the best we've ever done. It was 4 hours, so it was a whopper. It was long, but super informative and really, really could not recommend enough. I just can't recommend Quito enough. We're gonna go out tomorrow again and explore some more. Can't wait to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely make your way to Quito. If this video didn't convince you enough, then just, I don't know, try it for yourself. No, that's stupid. Just come, I promise you, it's really, really great. See you guys in the next one.